We all love product sales or a good discount, especially on items we really wanted to buy for some time but are not within our budget. Well, what if I tell you that there is a third way of getting a really good price knockoff on Amazon without having to wait for that season sale or discount code? The answer is rebate websites. What is a rebate website? A rebate website is a site where you can find a huge variety of Amazon products listed together with a rebate percentage or cash back amount that you can safely claim back after making the purchase on Amazon. Some of the products go even to a full 100% rebate, meaning that you practically get the item for free. For many other products, you can get rebates from 50% up to 75%. Retail products range from personal care to home products and consumable electronics. This is how it works. First, you register to a website that offers rebate offers on Amazon products such as the one listed in the description below. Click on the link provided in the description and sign up to the website by filling in your details. This only takes a few minutes. Once you have decided on which item you want, simply click the Claim Rebate button on the offer page and you'll be brought directly to Amazon to make the purchase. After purchasing the item, return to the rebate website to confirm your order number. Once confirmed, your rebate will be processed, and you will get the money back through two payment options. You can get the money transferred through direct deposit. This usually takes 5 days and incurs a small charge of $1 per transaction. Alternatively, you can receive a check by mail for free, which usually takes a few weeks after the date of your redemption. It is easy as that. All rebates are guaranteed, allowing that you have confirmed your Amazon order number and you did not cancel your order after purchase. So now you know how to easily get rebates on Amazon with a simple few clicks and no time at all. Go ahead and try it out now. I wish you happy shopping.